will leave you to continue.
Yes, Excellency. Okay. Thank you, sir.
State Chairman of the People's Democratic Party. Today, the Forum of State Chairmen met, and this is a communique that we are issuing to reflect all the deliberations that we had this afternoon. The Forum of State Chairmen of the People's Democratic Party convened a crucial meeting today, Thursday, November 6th, 2025, with 29 members of the forum in attendance. After exhaustive deliberations, the following resolutions were passed by the forum. 1, total support for the national leadership of the party. The forum reaffirms its total support, confidence, and loyalty to the national chairman of our great party, Ambassador Damagum, and the entire National Working Committee of our great party. 2, commendation of the judiciary. The forum applauds the courageous and well-considered judgment delivered by Honorable Justice Akintola, who ordered that the PDP must organize its convention in Ibadan on the 15th and the 16th of this month. That judgment, that order, is, to say the least, very, very courageous of the Justice Akintola of the Ibadan Court, of the Ibadan High Court from Oyo. And that has paved the way for us as a party to go ahead with all the preparations for the convention taking place in Ibadan. The forum, therefore, urges all delegates, as duly recognized and provided for in the PDP Constitution of 2017 as amended, to begin in earnest preparations to participate in the convention and to elect credible, competent, and loyal men and women into the National Working Committee. The forum commends the effective and collaborative leadership being provided by the National Working Committee under Ambassador Umar Damagum, the PDP Governors Forum under the leadership of His Excellency Senator Bala Mohammed, and the Board of Trustees under the leadership of His Excellency Senator Adolphus Wabara. The forum knows that the synergy has contributed immensely to stabilizing and repositioning the party. 5, reinforcement of party discipline. The party emphasizes the critical importance of discipline within the party and calls on all state chairmen not to hesitate in invoking the relevant sections of the Constitution to deal with erring members, because without discipline, we will have issues in the party. 6, commitment to party unity and victory in the 2027 elections. The forum reaffirms its unwavering commitment to the unity, progress, and electoral success of the PDP across all levels, and pledges to continue working closely with the national leadership to strengthen internal democracy and rebuild public confidence in the party. The forum, in the same vein, totally disassociates itself from the purported Abdurrahman Mohammed's leadership of the party and wants to categorically say that the PDP has only one national chairman, and that person is His Excellency Ambassador Umar Damagum. It is to reaffirm this solidarity that our colleagues from North Central are with us here at this press briefing. Finally, and this is for the PDP members across the country, we, your state chairman, we urge you, don't be deterred. Don't worry yourselves. We are preparing to have our convention in Ibadan, and that convention we hold on the 15th and the 16th of November 2025. We also, within this press briefing, want to thank the BOT for what they did yesterday by setting up a reconciliation committee. We are in total support of that. We believe that because we are PDP, because that is who we are resilient. We can always bend over to accommodate whatever interests that are coming up. We are in total support of that reconciliation committee, and we are urging the National Working Committee not to relent, not to get tired, but continue to explore ways of explaining, of urging agreed members or members that have issues to please come to the table and let's together build this party for us to make sure that this APC-led administration, this clueless administration is taken out of office in 2027. Thank you, and may God bless all of us. Thank you. Okay. If you have any clarifications or questions, we are ready to take. If not,